Alright, welcome back to Max Level EDC, and today I have so many packages, I decided I'd just do an unboxing video. And don't worry, we're also going to talk a little bit about everyday carry, including the one I have right now. So I'm actually rocking the Leatherman Crunch. I have been for a few days, actually, and really enjoying it. I also carry a key bar. We'll talk about that in just a second. I know so much stuff, I can't really... It's like a pile, okay? So I got that over there. And my Get Set Gear wallet. As an actual wallet, it's been awesome. It's pretty much my favorite, just generic wallet. It's just so good. And I just thought I'd show that to you guys. I've been rocking the i5R, the Big Idea Designs Mini Tie Click, and of course the Leatherman Crunch. I've been making a bunch of videos on it, and honestly, it's pretty darn convenient, especially when you combine it with a utility blade found in the key bar. So this is part of their new system that has slip joint locks. So this has got a flathead and also utility blades. So we're going to be using that a bunch in this video because we have a bunch of stuff to open, and we're just going to talk about them as they go. I don't even know exactly what I'm getting, so we'll just go for it. So the first thing in this box, okay, all right. So I've been getting a whole bunch of these. What these are pliers that are specifically designed to remove screws. So if you see the front, there's actually a slot cut out. Now, remember, in the last couple of videos I've been talking about the Leatherman Crunch's ability to work with T-shanks, right? Well, guess what? The cool thing about this right here is it can do this exact same thing, and it doesn't require any modification. Let me just... Oh. A little bit more. There we go. Now, I need to adjust the slots a little bit, but once it's locked in, you're going to be pretty good. That's what I'm hoping. But it's also for using it with removing those weird screws on Leathermans. So we'll be talking about that, and I'll be trying a bunch of different varieties. I have that one, I have this one, which also has that tip. There's a couple different ones. I wanted to find a solution so that anybody could take apart, you know, the Leathermans with the knurled nuts, okay? The ones that are much, much harder to open. Anyway, let's keep going. So we have that. Okay, let me get the utility blade here. What else we got in here? Okay, this is another one of the same thing. I want to get one of each because one, they're awesome for a toolkit, and also I'd like to know which ones work best so that you guys don't have to go figure this out yourself. So this is another variant and is a much, much smaller one. You can see this actually could be the one that will work on the rebar, which is the one I think I'm going to have the most difficulty with. This is the PZ57, really, really small in comparison to some of the others. I'll show you, if we get all this cleared off, I'll show you what the other ones look like, because I have most of them at this point. I also got, this is the second one I was waiting on. This is synthetic diorite. So one of the things we're going to do is do some acid etching and G10 dyeing to customize some less expensive pocket knives that I have, and those will go up for sale. I'm not going to end up keeping them. And let's see what else we got in here. I'm not sure what that is, and I'm not going to look at the front because it's more fun that way. It's funny, that's exactly how I pack things, using the what do we got here? Aha, more items for anodization. We're going to be doing some of that as well. Titanium, as well as acid etching, a bunch of other things. We're going to be having some fun with it. This is just a part of, I'm not going to open it, but this is an electrolyte solution for doing anodization for titanium. See what we got here. Ooh. Oh no, no one's gonna see that. That is yeah. This is for my daughter. That'll be something separate. All right, I'm pretty excited about this bad boy. This is something I've been wanting to show everyone. These will not be for sale. These are going to be only when I do giveaways, which will be very cool. I've not seen them yet, so you're going to be seeing them with me. And it looks like they're just loose in there. Oh yeah, check this out. Oh, look at that! That actually turned out way better than I thought it would. Let's see if we can get it to focus. So these are Pokka pens, regular varieties, that have the ability to replace the inserts, and they have max level EDC on them. I mean, how cool is that? Oh yeah, you'll be seeing these a bunch, and I got 100 of them. So these are not going to be like for sale. They will just be giveaways. You know, if you see me at a show or you find me, you know, in the world, ask me and I'll give you one. But first you have to introduce yourself. But I will give you one of these. This is just a black Pokka pen with my emblem on it. I'm pretty damn jazzed about that. So there's 100 of them. I'm not going to get into showing you all of them, obviously. We'll put this down here. All right, that's huge. Huge thank you to Pokka Pen for that. I am looking forward to passing those out. What else we got in here? Sodium fluoride. So this is another part of the acid etch that we'll be talking about. So sodium fluoride is one of 2 components I need to make the etching solution. I'm hoping, now I know it works for titanium. I don't know for sure if it will work for steel. We'll have to play with it. But yeah, that's one thing. So I got that. What else we got in here? Yeah, a soft T tourniquet. This is the soft T wide. So I have one of these for a special kit, and I wanted to have the real thing, not playing around. That's good. I also got it in orange versus black. I wanted something with high vis. All right, what else we got in here? This is also going in the medical kit for different reasons. These are gauze strips. I believe these are the petroleum gauze, but these wrappers themselves have a secondary application. So you probably looked them up in a bunch of different videos. Essentially, these work not only using the gauze, but they also can be used as improvised chest seals if you know the proper technique. And they are a heck of a lot cheaper. They'll go in a true trauma kit. All right, what else we got here? I'm actually not sure what's in there. Oh, I think this is titanium wire. That's what that is. Yeah, that's titanium wire. So another key component for doing anodization, other than the power supply, which I don't have yet, I will be ordering quite soon. You're going to need some titanium wire. Don't worry, you don't have to know any of this stuff. It's not only is it in a bunch of different videos, but when we do this, I'll be walking through the exact combination, how to set it up, how to make the solutions, and so on. Let's bring the pens back in. Check this out. I might as well open it. Whee! I can't believe he was able to get the detail on these pens. It has turned out way better than I expected. I was not sure he was going to get the detail. But the fact that they were able to do that on these is just phenomenal. I think what I might have fun doing too is creating a fun little distribution case. Maybe even 3D printed or made out of leather. I have some leather craft stuff I'd like to do. So that when I go to Blade Show, hopefully next year, and other things, if you approach me, I'll be able to hand out some pens with the emblem on it. And I way prefer handing out pens than patches. It's just, more me. Plus, it's my favorite and most used pen right now, which is the Pokka pen. So huge shout out to them. Thank you so much for that. This is awesome. And for the foreseeable future, all giveaways will include at least one of these. Of course, we did miss one more item. So let's go ahead and open that here. Oops, wrong thing. I'm not 100% sure what this one is. Oh, right. So same thing, once again, more two pliers. I wanted to have every variant. I know that's a little obsessive, but if we're going to figure out which ones are more versatile, we may as well have all of them, right? Plus, I feel like in so many ways, this is like the strictly better lineman's plier because it has those forward teeth that can then grab onto a whole bunch of different things. Just awesome. This is the PZ59. Sweet. Thanks for stopping in for this very, well, not that short, but for this unboxing. Nice little spoiler on these pens. And also, we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be doing some disassembly of a bunch of different Leathermans with those knurled nuts, and we're going to be trying out all the different screw pliers. Anyway, rambling on. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll talk again soon.